To make this top, you will need 3 colors. And if you have a hard time deciding which color to go for, my suggestion is that order your yarns in skeins rather than in cakes, because you can spread the skein out and to play around with color combinations. You can do it in cakes as well, but the fact is not that, how should I put it, panoramic. You can't have a full picture of the color combinations. So usually I order my skeins like this, and then I will spread it out to put them together and to see if I can create a combination that I like. But of course you will need to spend some time to wind the yarn into cakes by yourself. You can do it with ball winder, which will be a little bit efficient, or you could do just like me, hand winding it. But I think the time spent is worth it, because you can have a better idea of the yarn quality and the colors as well. In my demonstration, I will be making size 3, which equals to size M in Asian size, so you can choose your size accordingly.